So the trellis is up, but this bed needs protection before anything gets planted. So today I'm going to finish that project. Around here, rabbits are really my main pressure in the garden. Deer do show up occasionally as well. So putting protection in place early will save me problems later. I like to keep things simple and still have easy access to the beds. Light, removable enclosures work very well for that. Because of this trellis, this bed needs to have 2 sections instead of 1. The frames themselves are very basic. Just light lumber, exterior screws, chicken wire, and plenty of staples. I built one section first, then repeated the same process for the second. These ended up to be about 3 feet tall. That wasn't my original intention, it just happened to be the height of the wire I had. But with the crops growing up this trellis, I think that extra height may help make it harder for the deer to reach in. For now, this bed is protected and ready for the season ahead. And like most things in the garden, I'll make adjustments as I go. Next week, I'll continue the eggshell carrot experiment. If you missed part 1, you can find it here. Until next time, enjoy the garden.